Hi, I'm Sam from Fine & Country. I'm delighted to show you this wonderful Grade 2 listed building, one of the most intriguing properties that I've got on the market. The Old Laundry is set in Holbrook Mews in Long Norfolk. Come with me and we'll take a good look round. The Old Laundry originally formed part of the Holbrook Grange estate. Built for the Caldecott family in 1800, the estate was subsequently split into 3 attractive separate dwellings. Draped in wisteria, this lovely home has a large entrance hall and an extremely efficient wood pellet biomass boiler, as well as solar panels. The accommodation is split into distinct living areas. There's a large first floor studio with vaulted ceiling, an orangery with attractive views of the garden, a bedroom used as a study, and another bedroom overlooking an attractive cobbled courtyard. There are 2 kitchens in the home and a beautiful converted stable block which has oak windows, attractive conservatory, underfloor heating, vaulted ceilings, a large master bedroom with access to a Jack and Jill bathroom. There's an additional bedroom and a beautiful garden room. You join us at the end of the tour in the gorgeous gardens at the Old Laundry. In total, it's just under 1/3 of an acre, and wild flowers, a wild pond, all neighbouring paddocks and open countryside. If you'd like to know more about this property and join us for an exclusive viewing, then contact me on the details that are about to follow.